Example number 6, we have a function ax minus bx squared. It exists between 0 and 2, it doesn't exist anywhere else. We're given an extra piece of information this time. We're told the expectation of x, in other words the mean, is 1. We have to find the value of a, the value of b, and the variance of x. And finally, if 2 observations of x are made, find the probability that at least one of them is under a half. The fact that there were 2 unknown letters up here meant we needed an extra piece of information to solve them, and that's where this expectation of x equals 1 comes into it. If we didn't have that information, how do we usually go about finding the value of the missing letter in the formula? Have we done it earlier today in another example? How do we go about finding the missing letters usually? E to a greater equal 1. So let's still do that, okay? Let's say the integral between 0 and 2 of our function will equal 1. Let's start off with that and see what happens. You should end up with an equation with both a and b in it. Then what you need to do is use the information about the expectation of x equals 1, work out what the expectation of x is, put that equal to 1, you should get another equation with an a and a b in it. So you end up with 2 equations, so you end up with a pair of simultaneous equations, and if you solve those, you should get the value of both a and b. So I'm going to pause the video here, and that will appear in the next clip.